Hey guys, Lan here on Grady's Mom. I'm going to have a couple grocery hauls this week because my son is on winter break. So today I'm filming this is a Sunday. You guys won't be seeing this till Friday. But me, my son, and husband went to Walmart because we were out doing errands. And I thought I would grab a few things that I had on a specific list. And then there'll be another haul after this as well. Probably from Walmart, but maybe from somewhere else. So my son had a gift card balance on a Christmas card, or Christmas gift card. And he wanted this game. And well, we wanted to get a board game to play as a family because we do a lot of like board games, especially like Friday nights. So Matt, my husband, said that he played this when he was a kid and he really liked it. I had never heard of it, so let me know if you guys have ever played this. But he thinks Grady will really like it. It's called Mousetrap, and I've never heard of it, so it looks pretty cool. So we got this with Grady's gift card, and Grady's really excited to play it. So we got that, and then grocery-wise, I'm trying out the Walmart brand Great Value dupe for like Pringles, sour cream and onion. They were $1 for this canister, so they were about 30 cents cheaper than Pringles. I got some Great Value bacon, egg, and cheese croissant breakfast sandwiches for Matt to have in the mornings before work sometimes. I got some shredded iceberg lettuce that I need for a recipe. Some of the Innovation sticky white rice side dish. This is great as a side dish or to mix in with other things. And I actually forgot about this product for a bit, but I used to buy it all the time, so I got another one. I also got some marshmallow fluff because I've been liking peanut butter and fluff sandwiches every once in a while. And I also got the Great Value crunchy peanut butter. I actually have the creamy natural one already, and it is really good. Apparently I hear it's made by Skippy or Jif, but it's just a Great Value brand, and this was $2 for a 28 ounce jar. I got some sub rolls for both my husband's, some sandwiches for my husband for the week, and these are also great to use for like Philly cheesesteaks or chicken parm sandwiches. So I'll pull out whatever I need for the week, and then I will freeze the rest. They were $2.46, I believe, for a 6-pack, and they are pretty large. I got another bag of the Great Value lightly salted corn tortilla chips. They are 92 cents, and we love these. I also got some Great Value butter cookie coffee creamer because the other one we have is about to run out. I got a couple tomatoes for a recipe, some Great Value pure maple syrup for like when we do breakfast for dinner or breakfast in the mornings. I got some Great Value cream of chicken soup for a recipe, a bag of jalapenos, some for a recipe, and others I'll use for something else. And I also got some refried beans for a recipe as well. It's for Mexican pizza. And then we also got a large thing of cat litter for the cat. It was about $15 for that. And yeah, that's everything we picked up today, and I'll see you guys in the next haul after this one. Alright guys, so I have my second haul. I have most of the stuff here is from Walmart, and a few things here are from Boxed.com. I did a whole initial haul on them, my kind of first impression for my first order. I'll link that below in case you want to check it out, because I did place a very small second order, so I just figured I would show everything all together in this haul. So from Boxed, I got some Kleenex. These are the smaller cubes, which I like to keep in both of the bathrooms and also in my son's room, and sometimes I keep one in my office as well, because they are the smaller boxes. Also from Boxed, I got these 7th generation multi-purpose wipes because we always need these to wipe things down and clean. We use these a lot in the bathroom. So I got those from Boxed. I also got these Vermont Mini Original Beef and Pork Sticks. They are raised without antibiotics, there's no added hormones, and they're vegetarian fed. And I thought these would be good to put in my husband's lunches. And then also unboxed, I got these Aqua Pure wipes because a friend of mine, I had tried a few of hers, like a few of the actual wipes, and I really liked them. And I'm actually going to a baby shower soon, and these are the wipes that she likes. This is her second baby. She's having like a sprinkle shower, I think it's called. But anyways, I got her a box of these Aqua Pure wipes because I know this is what she uses and used on her first baby, who's only, I think, not even 3 yet. So I know she's gonna love those because I know she plans to use them with the second baby. And then also unboxed, we needed some toilet paper, so I got the house brand, Prince and Spring. It's like the boxed brand, like the house brand. And they're 30 rolls, and I'm excited to try these because we need toilet paper, and this was a really good price. And I do have a $15 off your first order of $60 or more with free shipping, so I'll link that below. It's always in the description box. And anyways, everything else here is from Walmart. So I got some Great Value low sodium soy sauce. I got these 2 Pure Leaf teas. They are new flavors and they were on sale for $1. I got the cherry hibiscus and the mango hibiscus. I'm curious to try those. I got some Pillsbury crescent rolls in the flaky butter flavor. I got some washing machine cleaner. I've used this brand before in my previous house. And I really liked it, and I just completely forgot about this stuff, and I want to go ahead and make sure my washer is always clean and sanitized, so I got a box of 4, and I do usually 1 packet per month. Also near the deli, the mini naan was on clearance, so I grabbed 2 of them. I'm going to pop these in the freezer. I'll put these both in like a gallon freezer bag just for an extra layer of protection, and then I'll use these for little mini pizzas. These also make a really good panini, FYI. So I got 2 of these. They are 4 in each pack of the mini naan. Hubby needed cheese sticks, so I got him some pepper jack cheese sticks, as well as some Colby Jack, or Colby and Monterey Jack. And I always usually get the Great Value brand because it's cheaper than like the Sargento brand. I needed brown sugar, so I got the Great Value brand of that. I also got some Great Value brand milk chocolate chips because I want to make either muffins or some kind of bar in my food prep this coming weekend for next week. I got some yellow rice. I've purchased this many times before, and it's really, really good, and it's super cheap. It's like $1, and it actually makes a lot, and it's like a saffron flavored yellow rice. I also got some Great Value baking soda. It was like 40 cents, I believe. And I am trying out the Great Value butter. Normally I get the Wellesley Farms butter from BJ's. But I just figured why not give it a try. I think it was about $5 for both of these. And there are 4 sticks in each box. So $5. I got some rare roast beef for my husband's lunches. I got some mango spears. I've gotten these before and they were really good. They are a little pricey because they're convenience, you know, already peeled and sliced and everything. But these, the last time I got these, they were really good. So it's a pound for $4.68. So it's not too bad because mangoes tend to be a little bit pricey anyways on their own. I also got some more of the Great Value Southern Style O'Brien hash brown potatoes because I made breakfast bowls for meal prep and food prep last week. You guys will see that video probably in the next few days. So yeah, those came out really good. So I got another bag to throw in the freezer to do it again in the near future. Again, those like breakfast skillet bowls. Pringles came out with wavy chips, so of course I had to try them because we love our Pringles. So these are just the classic original salted wavy Pringles. So I'm going to try those, and I think that's everything. I showed you guys the bath tissue. Yeah guys, I think that's everything for the week that I got. I'm really just trying to purchase only what I need and use up what I have before purchasing something, you know, to replace it. So yeah, I'm going to show you now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, meal plan for the last week of February into March. One night I'm going to do some hamburgers. I have like 4 hamburger patties in my deep freeze that I want to use up. So I'm going to have hamburgers one night with oven fries and a salad. I got those mini naan pizzas on clearance, so I'm going to use 1 of the packs because there's 4 in each pack. And I'll make 2 with meat and cheese and 2 with veggie, and then Matt and I will have 1 of each. I did not do the baked breaded clams last week, so I have an arrow indicating that it's coming over from last week's meal plan, that I didn't make it, just so I can go ahead and make that so I can get those out of my freezer. I'll do some kind of veggie and potato on the side. Another night I'm going to do some BLT sandwiches because I have some bacon left that I need to use up. And with that, I'm going to do my homemade loaded potato salad. I do have an entire video on my potato salad. I'll link that down below. And then I have a little note because I have a bunch of pickles I want to use up, and we'll have the sandwiches with pickles on the side. We love pickles. I'm also going to do a ham and cabbage stir fry. I do have to get one of those coleslaw mixes, which is a really good hack for cabbage stir fry. I forgot to pick one up in this week's haul, so I'll grab a cabbage or a coleslaw mix. I have a ham steak that I need to use up, so I'll dice it up. and fry it up with some cabbage, and then I'll do a simple salad on the side. I have my night allotted for either breakfast or leftovers, and then of course my freebie night, which is what I can kind of get creative and make whatever I feel like making. So really easy meal plan. Next week we are on winter break. This current week we've been on it all week, so next week's kind of like a catch-up week because I definitely did not have a chance to get a lot done this week work-wise because my son was off of school. So hopefully I can pick up the pace next week and get back to filming. But yeah, so I wanted to give myself a little bit of a break for easy meals. I think I'm gonna have a video going up this weekend, probably Saturday, possibly Sunday, either one or the other. And then of course I will see you guys again Monday with a new set of videos, but I will most likely have a new video up this weekend as well for like a bonus video for the week. So I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.